Hello, Stevie here in my messy craft room. I've been doing stuff right here. I got a bag out and it was ripped on the sides, but I decided I'm gonna make an opening holder that can hang on a hook or something, and it'll have these on the sides to hold it open. But see, it was torn here, so I put some security envelopes on it, and I'll do another video with that done more. But what I did when I was cleaning up, I just was getting too many things on my tiny little work table, and so I put a TV tray here, stand, and so I can still put things underneath it, but I can put the things that I want near me, like my personal junk journal that has all my ideas and things in them, or in it. And then my other junk journal, sort of, this is for ideas, all my notes. And it still stays pretty close to on the table. And the little kitty to hold it up. And I still got the great little mug with the fireplace. And this is in my sister's shop. All the links for all the shops are in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, because I don't have consistency because of my internet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.